Hello and welcome to this video on the use of am, is and are. These are three of the most commonly used verbs in the English language, and it's important to understand when to use each one. Let's start with am. Am is the first person singular form of the verb to be. This means that it's used when referring to the speaker. For example, I am a student. Am is also used when creating questions in the first person singular, such as am I correct? Next, we have is. Is the third person singular form of the verb to be. This means that it's used when referring to someone or something other than the speaker. For example, she is a doctor. Is also used when creating questions in the third person singular, such as is he late? Finally, we have are. Are is the second person singular and the first, second and third person plural form of the verb to be. This means that it's used when referring to the person being addressed, that is, second person or more than one person or thing, first, second or third person plural. For example, you are my friend and they are teachers. Are is also used when creating questions in the second person singular or first, second or third person plural, such as are you going to the party and are they coming to the meeting? It's important to note that the verb form you use must match the subject of the sentence in terms of number, that is singular or plural. For example, I am is correct, but I is not. In conclusion, am, is and are essential verbs in the English language, and understanding when to use each one is crucial for speaking and writing effectively. Remember to match the verb form with the subject of the sentence in terms of number. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.